Hello guys, good day and welcome to today's video. So I noticed a lot of people are having trouble understanding um, the difference between website designing and website development. So we'll look into the difference between website designing and website development in this video. So website designing focuses on the layout, as you can see on the screen, the layout and the user experience of a website using tools like Figma, Photoshop, and HTML or CSS. Yes, HTML, CSS, Figma, Photoshop. That's website designing. Website designing is the act of just creating that layout, how it will look. I said it in some of my previous video that you can actually use HTML or CSS to develop a website. Yes, to develop a website. Let me just use the word because you can actually use HTML and CSS to make a website functional for people to use. But to make it more responsive, that's when we use JavaScript. So if you want to be you can choose to be a website designer or a website developer, and you can be both a website designer and a website developer. So it's your choice, but the it's your choice, but having the two, like having these two skills is very profitable. So we said website development deals with building and maintaining websites using coding language like JavaScript, React, and Python. Let's get this. HTML and CSS is not a coding language. It's not a language. JavaScript, React, Python, and so on. They are coding language. HTML, let me call them terminologies, but we use them in designing websites. Um, there are some websites I actually designed with HTML and CSS. So but making them responsive, making them responsive for an interactive, we use we use websites, we develop them, we use JavaScript, React, and Python. So let me just show you um some of the websites I designed using just HTML and CSS. So let me show you the website I designed using um HTML and CSS. So by time goes on, I will show you how we can design this website from scratch. How you can design this website from scratch. I'm going to be teaching you how to design this website from scratch. So um you can watch my other videos if you are just coming across this video to check how to design this website from scratch. It's actually a landing page. This website is a landing page, and I designed it using HTML and CSS only. HTML and CSS only. So this is this is how it looks like. So I can show you some of the full screen using the inspect because of my the screen I'm using to record this. So let's use this. So let me fit it right here. It's actually default of this inspect right now. Okay, I'm going to show you. I want to show you how it looks on mobile. I want to show you how it actually looks on mobile. So so this is a full website I designed using HTML and CSS only. Do you understand? This is a full, okay, this is it. This is a full website I designed using HTML and CSS only. So you can actually design a website using HTML and CSS, but to develop it to make it more responsive, more interactive, we use JavaScript, React, or Python, and so on, programming languages like that. E.g., how does it work? Assuming we want to add this we want to make all this functional. everything here. We want to make them functional. We want to make them functional. We want to connect them to some other things. You can still use HTML and CSS to make them functional, but it has a limit it can go. It actually has a limit it can go. So, but to make it fully functional, we use JavaScript. Let me just talk about JavaScript for now. So we use JavaScript. So um I'll be designing this website. I'll be showing you how I designed this website. So at the end of this my website development course, which is on this YouTube channel, you got to understand how we can design this website, and we'll take this as an example also, and so many other websites. So thanks for staying to the end of this video. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.